everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great and having a super happy, super healthy, super positive and super fantastic life with your family, with your friends. So my name is Purba and I welcome you all again in my channel. So those who are visiting me for the first time, I just have to share few information about myself. My name is Purba and I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and healthy videos for you all. I always love to share my lifestyle with you all. Sometimes I post my daily vlogs, my travel vlogs, but most of the time I love to share my full day diet plan, my dinner routine, lunch routine, and also my friends about my fitness journey. So today's video is going to be all about Rujuta Diwekar ma'am's Indian diet plan for weight loss. Probably many of you have already seen my previous two videos that I made on Rujuta Diwekar ma'am's diet plan, and in my first, always she tells to have locally grown fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. She tells to have seasonal fruits, seasonal vegetables, and 7 to 8 meals in a day is very important in this diet plan. So you have to have your food in a regular interval. So timing is very important. Also, you have to be physically fit. I mean 30 minutes of regular exercise. This is not a very tough job to do. All you have to do is just to have just 30 minutes of regular simple exercise. If you are not going outside for the exercise, then in the home only you can do. Here you can see I have a simple treadmill in my home, in my Kolkata home. So yes, I'll show you how I do my regular exercise in that. And also you have to avoid all kind of junk foods. I mean pizza, burgers, chips, cold drinks, and also you have to cut down refined sugar from your diet. And about the tea, coffee also, she tells not to have tea, coffee in the morning time. But yes, there are a few things that you can definitely follow about this diet plan, and this is so easy to follow. Now all you have to do, have to have fresh, simple ghar ka khana, and of course you have to think about what you are eating. And she tells, very important, do not watch TV, do not do your internet, or do not check your phone whenever you are having your meal. She tells to have a very peaceful meal session whenever you have your lunch or your breakfast or dinner. Just enjoy the food, enjoy the taste of the food. So yes, this is her instruction about having food. And also she tells about mindful eating. I mean it needs practice. From the very first day you cannot have a very restricted diet plan. In your plate probably you have first day 2 chapatis, and then gradually we think no, 1 chapati is fine for me if you are having more amount of dal and sabji. So this kind of mindful eating she always tells in her diet plan. So yes, now without wasting any time, let's straight start this diet plan from early morning to night.
After waking up in the morning, within 5 to 10 minutes, you have to take 1 full glass of lukewarm water. And in this lukewarm water, you can add some honey, you can add some lemon, you can add both. Especially I prefer to have both in the winter time, honey, lemon water. And also my friends, you can add apple cider vinegar too. If you are used to with apple cider vinegar, then definitely you can go for that. But I always prefer to start my day with lemon, and in the winter season I love to add some honey into it. So yes, honey lemon water to start your day. Rujuta Diwekar ma'am says not to have tea and coffee in the morning time. Instead she tells to have this kind of healthy morning drink. So yes, here is my very healthy, super delicious and very beneficial early morning drink is absolutely ready. And now you have to sit comfortably and then you can enjoy your early morning drink. Here you can see I'm taking this drink in my sofa, and then there I'll sit comfortably and I'll enjoy my early morning drink. And this way I always love to start my day, and I will also suggest you all my friends to start your day in a very calm and peaceful way with this super healthy early morning drink. After 15 minutes of having your early morning drink, you can have either 5 soaked almonds or 1 full banana as your first meal of the day. So my friends, suppose you wake up around 6:30, then 6:35 to 6:40 you can have your early morning drink, and 6:55 you can have your first meal, either almond or banana. And as I told you my friends, exercise is very important. So yes, 30 minutes of your morning exercise is very beneficial for your health to lose your weight properly. So here, after having banana or almonds, I mean the first meal of the day, then you can go for your morning exercise before having your breakfast. This is the ideal time to do your morning exercise. Yoga, morning exercise, pranayam, all these physical activities are perfect for your weight loss journey. Please my friends, do remember that and do practice it regularly. And now it's breakfast time. For today's breakfast, I'll be preparing a mixed sabji, which is my absolute favorite, especially in the winter time. Here you can see I have cut and washed all my veggies. Here is cauliflower, carrots, capsicum, and also one small potato and also onion. Now let's start making it. To make this sabji, first of all, in the oil I'm adding some kalonji seeds and one piece of green chili. We Bengalis love to add kalonjis as a tempering in our curries. And now here I have put all my vegetable, cut and washed vegetable. Look how colorful it's looking. And I'll be having one chapati with that and one boiled egg. And here I'm adding some salt into it, not much. And now turmeric. Turmeric is a very healthy Indian spice. Within just 10 minutes you can prepare this sabji. This is very simple to make, and look at the vegetables. And I always love to have my veggies like this. I don't want very soft and very soggy vegetable. And after covering the lid, within just 5 to 10 minutes my veggies will be done. And here you can see it's absolutely ready. And this is how my breakfast platter looks like. It's looking super healthy and super delicious. One piece of chapati, and I have added some ghee in my whole wheat chapati because Rujuta ma'am says to have ghee in our diet. And here is mixed vegetable, very winter special and very healthy, high in fiber. And here I have taken one egg, one boiled egg. But if you are vegetarian, you can have one small bowl of dal too, and gur or jaggery, especially in the winter time. And now I'll be enjoying my morning breakfast sitting in the sofa. It's absolutely delicious. And my friends, within 8 to 8:30 you have to finish your breakfast. Just remember that after waking up, within 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours you have to finish your breakfast.
My friends, now it's fruits time. Yes, after having a delicious, healthy, protein and fiber enriched breakfast, and before having your lunch around 10:30 to 11, whenever you will feel hungry, just have one fruit. One fruit in a day. Yes, this is a very seasonal and tasty food, especially in the winter time. I love to have oranges. So yes, now I'm going to enjoy one orange. Instead of orange, you can pick whatever fruits you love. But yes, one fruits around 10:30 to 11. And also she tells about the benefits of nariyal pani, that is coconut water. You can have one tall glass of coconut water too around 10:30 to 11. But I always love to have oranges, especially in the winter time.
And now it's lunch time. Today for my lunch I'll be having dal chawal, and with that I'll be having one sabji. So here in this karhai I'm making the sabji. I have added panch foron, then onion and chili. After frying the onion for 1 to 2 minutes, now here I have added tomatoes into it. And my sabji is aloo baigan and capsicum ki sabji. It's super healthy, and especially for the winter time it's absolutely delicious. Here my rice is also getting ready. Here I am sauteing onion. And now here I am adding all the masalas into it. Little amount of red chili powder, turmeric or haldi powder, and little bit of jeera powder. All the Indian spices has medicinal values, so please remember that. And now it's time to add the vegetable into it. The choice is up to yours, my friends. You can have cabbage ki sabji, or you can have cauliflower sabji, you can have beans ki sabji. Today I am having baigan. With aloo, baigan and tomatoes, here you can see, my friends, I have added some capsicum into it. I have added capsicum later because it takes less time to get cooked. And here in this burner I have started making my dal. In the pressure cooker I have added some oil, then kalonji seeds and some garlic and one chili. And now I am mixing everything properly. This dal is perfect for the winter season. And here I have added masoor dal. And now little bit of turmeric powder into it, and that's it. I'll not add any other spice into it, and trust me, it will be super healthy and super flavorful. Also I have added water, and now it's time to cover the lid, and then I'll wait up to 2 whistles. My dal is also ready, my friends, after 2 whistles, and here my sabji is also absolutely ready. I have added some dhania patta or fresh coriander leaves on top. And this is how my lunch platter looks like. Look how beautiful it's looking. Dal, sabji and obviously some salad. Probably you already know that I cannot finish my meal without having salad. I just love it. And here this small bowl of rice I'll be having. This is a small steel bowl and 1 bowl of rice is sufficient for me. So yes, this is how the lunch looks like. So it's like 1 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of dal and half bowl of sabji and some salad. You can have some papad or little bit of ghar ka bana hua achar too, and the lunch is ready. In this diet plan, you have to have food in regular interval. So my friends, after having your lunch around 4:30, whenever you will feel little hungry, you can have some snacks. So this is nuts, walnuts, very healthy for your health. And you can have 1 cup of tea. I know many of my subscribers, you cannot survive without tea. I know Rujuta ma'am says no to tea or coffee, but as I told you, many of my subscribers, and not only my subscribers, I also cannot survive without a cup of tea. So yes, 1 cup of tea, but it's absolutely without sugar. So this is very important, without sugar tea. And now around 6 o'clock, whenever you will feel hungry, instead of having very unhealthy outside junk food, you can have some ghar ka bana hua fresh upma made with suji. And now it's dinner time. Dinner timing is very important. Within 8 o'clock you have to finish your dinner, and my dinner is looking very healthy and super delicious. This is a complete non-vegetarian dinner. This is chicken. So 3 pieces of chicken is there, 1 bowl of chicken curry made with olive oil, so it's very healthy. And also my friends, I have added some papaya and carrots into it to make it even more fiber enriched. So yes, 1 bowl of chicken curry, 1 chapati and some salad. And if you are vegetarian, then I am giving you one option. Instead of having chicken curry, you can have 1 bowl of dal. Dal or chicken will provide essential protein, and also you will have 1 chapati and some salad. That's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed this full day diet plan from early morning to night time. And my friends, after having your dinner, if you feel hungry around 11 o'clock whenever you are going for sleep, then definitely you can have 1 glass of milk with some turmeric into it. Turmeric milk or haldiwala milk is very good for your health, and it's absolutely good for your sleep. And also my friends, you can have some cashew nuts. So yes, this is the diet plan. I hope you have really enjoyed and you have liked all the recipes that I have shared in this video. So take care of your health, stay always happy, always healthy. Tata, bye bye, love you.